The year 2025 marked a significant turning point for Tesla in the global electric vehicle market. After years of rapid growth, the company began to face a much more moderate pace of expansion, especially in the United States. The enthusiasm that once drove sales no longer has the same intensity. Investors began to realize that the company's market value is no longer directly linked to the volume of cars sold. The brand remains strong, but the competitive landscape is more aggressive. New traditional automakers have expanded their electric vehicle lines. Chinese manufacturers have advanced with more aggressive pricing, and the average consumer has begun to analyze cost-benefit more rigorously. The result has been a more demanding market, less tolerant of high prices. One of the biggest obstacles Tesla faces in 2025 is not technological, but financial. The company remains a leader in software, battery range, and driver assistance systems. However, the final price of its vehicles is still high for a significant portion of American consumers. Retirees and families with tighter budgets, in particular, find it difficult to justify the purchase. Even with savings on fuel and maintenance, the initial investment remains high. Many consumers want to switch to electric vehicles but cannot overcome the entry-level price barrier. This creates a misalignment between desire and financial reality. The market clearly shows that there is demand for a truly affordable model, and it is precisely at this point that the need for a strategic shift arises. The launch of the Model Y Standard, priced at approximately $40,000, initially seemed like an attempt to meet this demand. However, the solution adopted did not fully please the public. To reduce costs, Tesla removed several internal features considered important by many consumers. The removal of functionalities raised questions about the true cost-benefit of the model. Some buyers felt they were paying less but receiving a significantly inferior car. The reduction in range also impacted the perception of value. The proposition of a cheaper Tesla became, for some, just a simplified version of an originally premium product. This ended up limiting market enthusiasm and reinforced the idea that something new was needed, not just a scaled-down version. The slowdown in sales in 2025 also revealed a shift in Tesla's stock dynamics. The financial market no longer reacts solely to quarterly delivery numbers. Investors have begun to look at structural innovation, artificial intelligence, and new segments. The expectation has shifted from simply selling more cars to encompassing market transformation. In this context, the absence of a truly disruptive launch weighed negatively. The Model S and Model X remain niche markets. The updated Model 3 brought improvements but not a revolution. The Cybertruck remains expensive and with a specific appeal. Without an accessible mass-market product, Tesla saw part of the public postpone purchase decisions. This opened up space for competitors to explore the mid-range segment. It is in this context that rumors begin to emerge about a new model, informally known as Model 2. Signs from the supply chain and internal movements indicate that something different is under development. Although there is no official confirmation, several reports suggest a project focused directly on structural cost reduction. The expectation revolves around a price close to $30,000. If this is confirmed, it would be the first Tesla truly competitive with traditional gasoline vehicles in the same price range. This possibility sparks great interest among consumers attentive to the market. The promise is not just a lower price, but intelligent efficiency. A vehicle designed from the beginning to be accessible, not a simplified adaptation of something more expensive. The projected price of around $30,000 represents a watershed moment. Currently, many electric vehicles are still positioned above this range. Competing directly with reliable gasoline-powered sedans and hatchbacks requires strategic engineering. It's not enough to cut luxury items. It's necessary to rethink the architecture, battery, and production process. Rumors indicate that the project was conceived with this mindset from the very first stage. This means an optimized platform, a simplified structure, and an absolute focus on industrial efficiency. If well executed, the model could reach a completely new audience. Consumers who previously considered Tesla inaccessible, young buyers and budget-conscious retirees, families seeking real long-term savings. One of the biggest surprises regarding the potential Model 2 is its body configuration. Unlike previous expectations of a compact SUV, the latest information points to a compact hatchback. This would be a brand new segment for Tesla. Historically, the brand has focused its efforts on sedans and SUVs. Entering the hatchback segment represents a more urban and global strategy. Hatchbacks are popular in Europe and Asian markets. They also offer better aerodynamic efficiency in smaller dimensions. The idea would be to create a vehicle smaller than the Model Y, lighter, more efficient, and more economical to produce. A car with its own identity, not just a smaller sibling of the Model 3. The expected exterior design indicates a distinctive front end. It wouldn't feature the continuous light bar present in some recent models. The headlights would be sharper and more aggressive. The inspiration may slightly resemble the Model 3, but with a distinct personality. The intention seems to be to convey modernity without excessively increasing production costs. Simple lines, fewer complex components, and faster assembly. The reduced size favors structural efficiency. A smaller car also allows for better use of materials. This directly impacts the final price and reinforces its positioning as a strategic entry-level model. Another key element in achieving the lower price is the advanced use of giga casting technology. This method allows for the production of large parts of the vehicle's structure as single pieces. Reducing the number of components decreases assembly time and logistical complexity. Fewer parts mean fewer points of failure and lower operating costs. Applying this technology to the new model could represent a significant leap in production, especially when combined with even more optimized processes. Tesla already uses giga casting in other vehicles. In the Model 2, the expectation is to further enhance this integration, transforming industrial efficiency into a direct competitive advantage. Perhaps the most impressive advancement lies in the battery area. The new model may debut the Shenxing 2 battery, developed by partner CATL. This is a next-generation LFP battery, with performance exceeding the traditional limitations of this chemistry. Historically, LFP batteries had lower energy density. They also had slower charging compared to other technologies. The Shenxing 2 promises to overcome these weaknesses, with charging speeds considered revolutionary and a theoretical range that could approach 500 miles under ideal conditions. If these numbers are confirmed in practice, the impact on the market will be significant. The great innovation of the Shenxing 2 battery lies in its extremely fast charging capability, something that could redefine the experience of using an affordable electric vehicle. Supporting charging up to 1 C, the theoretical numbers impress even the most skeptical analysts. The possibility of adding dozens of miles of range in just a few seconds completely changes the perception of charging time. In 5 minutes, the range could exceed 300 miles under ideal conditions. This brings electric charging closer to the convenience of gas stations. Furthermore, its performance in extremely low temperatures also stands out. Even at -10 degrees Celsius, the battery would maintain efficiency above the industry average. This climatic consistency broadens its appeal to colder regions of the United States and reinforces its promise of reliability in daily use. Another strategic point is the battery size, estimated at around 50 kilowatt-hours. Instead of using a larger and more expensive pack, Tesla can compensate with energy efficiency and ultra-fast charging. This reduces the vehicle's overall weight and improves fuel consumption per mile. A smaller battery means lower raw material costs and less impact on the supply chain. At the same time, the high performance prevents the consumer from experiencing a significant loss of range. This balance between capacity and efficiency is essential to keeping the price close to $30,000. The engineering seems geared towards optimizing every component, not just cutting items, but reconfiguring the entire design structure. This approach may differentiate the model from simple, economical versions released previously. Regarding the exterior configuration, Rumors indicate that the vehicle will maintain a traditional four-door layout. Previous speculation about Falcon wing doors has been virtually ruled out. The decision reflects a more conservative and pragmatic approach. Conventional doors are cheaper to manufacture and simpler to maintain. They also offer less risk of mechanical failures over time. Tesla seems to prioritize robustness and industrial scalability. The goal is to enable mass production without added complexity. Every structural detail is reportedly being reviewed for efficiency, from hinges to opening angles optimized for urban use. The focus is not on spectacle, but on everyday functionality. The integration of a front camera into the bumper reinforces the importance of the driver assistance system within the brand's identity. Even though it's a more accessible model, Tesla doesn't intend to treat autonomy as a luxury option. The software remains a central part of the value proposition. This also opens up space for a possible future integration with the company's robo-taxi network. If the autonomous infrastructure advances as planned, owners could generate income when the car is not in use. This vision broadens the traditional concept of vehicle ownership, transforming the car into a productive asset. Although it still depends on regulations and technical validations, the possibility attracts investors and consumers attentive to innovation. Internally, the Model 2 is expected to adopt an even more pronounced minimalist philosophy. The central screen may be reduced to around 11 inches, smaller than the higher-end versions. Even so, the interface promises to maintain fluidity and quick response. Voice commands should assume an even more relevant role in interacting with the vehicle. The elimination of physical buttons and mechanical levers follows a trend already seen in recent updates. Capacitive controls on the steering wheel replace traditional mechanisms. This decision reduces moving parts and simplifies assembly. However, it may represent an adaptation curve for more experienced drivers. Tesla is betting that digital familiarity will compensate for this structural change. To maintain a competitive price, several interior elements will be simplified. The seats will use fabric instead of vegan leather. Heated seats will likely not be available in the base version. The panoramic glass roof may be replaced with a conventional metal structure. This change reduces costs and improves thermal insulation, although it diminishes the feeling of spaciousness inside. The acoustic glass will be simple, slightly impacting the level of silence in the cabin. The sound system will also be more basic. Ambient lighting will follow a functional pattern without a focus on luxury. Each cut was designed to reduce expenses without compromising safety or the main structure. The production initially planned for Giga, Texas, now seems to be directed to the Fremont factory in California. Fremont has a history of technological experimentation within Tesla. It is considered a hub of industrial innovation for the company. Proximity to research and development teams facilitates rapid adjustments, especially in the introduction of new batteries and advanced gigacasting processes. Producing in the United States also brings strategic advantages. Government incentives and less exposure to geopolitical tensions come into play. The appeal of a vehicle made in America can attract local consumers. Even with higher labor costs, highly optimized processes can compensate. The overall context of 2025 reinforces the urgency of this launch. The modest sales of the year revealed a lack of a truly mass-market product. The Model S and Model X remain in a restricted premium segment. The updated Model 3 brought incremental improvements but did not drastically expand its audience. The Cybertruck continues to be a polarizing and expensive product. The Model Y Standard ended up in an uncomfortable position. It wasn't cheap enough for the mass market, nor complete enough for demanding consumers. Many buyers chose to postpone decisions or migrate to competitors. This highlighted the need for a truly new model. The relative failure of the Model Y Standard served as a strategic lesson. Reducing range and removing features without drastically repositioning the price wasn't enough. Consumers notice when they're buying a simplified version of something better. To conquer the mid-range market, a clear proposition must be delivered from the start. The Model 2 emerges precisely as an attempt to correct this approach, a vehicle designed to be accessible, not adapted. The difference may seem subtle, but it's structurally profound. Dedicated architecture allows for more coherent decisions, from materials to battery configuration. This solid foundation can transform public perception. Still, it's important to remain cautious regarding deadlines. Tesla has a history of delays in innovative projects. Although 2026 is cited as the likely launch year, unforeseen events can occur. Interested consumers should follow financial reports and developments at the Fremont factory. Leaks and rumors help to build expectations, but they don't replace official confirmation. The market remains attentive to upcoming strategic announcements. If the Model 2 delivers on its promises, it could redefine competitiveness in the affordable segment. Otherwise, it could become just another delayed project. The big question remains open, fueling constant debates and analyses. The potential arrival of the Model 2 in 2026 could represent much more than just the launch of a new car within Tesla's portfolio. It could symbolize a structural shift in how the company positions itself in the global electric vehicle market. For years, Tesla has been associated with premium innovation, cutting-edge technology, and high prices. The transition to a truly affordable model requires cultural and industrial adaptation. It's not just about selling more units. It's about reaching an audience that until now has observed the brand from a distance, and consumers who want to participate in the electric transition, but are waiting for a viable entry point. This expansion could redefine the company's scale and transform Tesla into the absolute protagonist of the mass market segment. If the price close to $30,000 is confirmed, the competitive impact will be immediate. Established gasoline vehicles in the same price range will have to face an electric vehicle with high range and ultra-fast charging. This changes the traditional total cost of ownership equation. Fuel and maintenance savings become even more important when the initial price is reduced. Furthermore, government incentives could make the final price even more attractive. For many consumers, this combination could represent the ideal time to switch. The Model 2 could be the first Tesla truly comparable to traditional compact sedans, and this direct comparison could alter market choice patterns. Tesla's strategy of using the Shenxing 2 battery also positions it at a distinct technological level. Even though it's a lower-cost LFP battery, its theoretical performance challenges historical limitations of this chemistry. If the range and fast charging are confirmed in real-world use, public perception of affordable batteries will change drastically. This opens doors for global expansion in price-sensitive markets. Emerging countries can benefit from this technology. At the same time, its efficiency in cold temperatures strengthens its presence in more climatically harsh regions. The battery's versatility expands the vehicle's strategic reach, transforming a technical component into a significant commercial advantage. Production in Fremont can also become a showcase of industrial efficiency. The advanced application of large-scale giga casting can drastically reduce the number of structural parts. This not only lowers costs, but also accelerates the manufacturing pace. With fewer components, the process becomes more standardized. Fewer steps mean less room for error. This production streamlining can be essential for maintaining sustainable margins even with reduced prices.